I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight?
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of these products I received from Australian Organic, and I'm really excited because I definitely needed some new hair care, so I'm excited to test these out and show you guys what I think of them. First off, I love their packaging because I have received lots of products in the past that have spilled and broke open, so the fact that these are just sealed really nicely and prevents it from spilling in shipping is really nice. Today I'll be showing you guys how I wash my hair from beginning to end, starting in the shower, and I do show you guys how I style my hair wet, and then I will also show you guys how I style my hair dry and when I straighten my hair.
What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. I still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother.
So if you guys are new here, I do actually have a skin condition known as eczema, and a lot of the times for products I have a lot of really bad sensitivities and allergies, but I used these for quite a few days and did not see any issues and definitely didn't see any like allergic reactions or anything, so that's always a plus. And you guys, I cannot describe how good this stuff smells. It smells absolutely amazing. But here you guys see me just rinsing out the mask. I let it sit for a few minutes with a clip in my hair while I did the rest of my shower, but then I'm going to go ahead and rinse out this mask, and we'll finish out the rest of my hair routine outside of the shower. up and have my hair already like kind of ready to go. So alright guys, your girl's hair is all nice and straight, and I am obsessed. I feel like my hair looks so glossy and healthy, like, ooh. Not to mention, it is growing. It's so long right now. Like, I don't know if you guys can see how long it is, but it has grown quite a bit, like way past my shoulders. It's from working out, eating healthy, drinking all my water, all the things, but I love how that oil makes my hair feel. It just makes it feel like really healthy. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it just makes it look like nice and glossy, but without making it like greasy. Like, my hair doesn't look greasy, it just looks healthy, which I like. I don't like anything that makes my hair look like it needs to be washed. I can't stand it. But my hair will last straight for quite some time. I'll probably wear it straight for the next few days, and then like towards the last couple days before like I wash my hair, I'll curl it with my straightener. I'll just go through and curl it, or sometimes I'll wear like ponytails, and then probably tomorrow also I can just like throw this in a clip, like kind of like a half up half down type of jazz with this in the back, just because I'll be with patients all day, so I'll probably want to get like my hair up and out of my face. So I can also just kind of like twist this up like this with a clip in that way, and then of course like you can pull down some facial framing and whatnot. But yeah, I absolutely love this stuff. This is an Argan Oil. It's a hair growth serum. It does say it's sulfate, sodium, and paraben free, and it's for all hair types. I really like the idea of growing my hair out, just because I do get married this year. I get married on September 17th, so my goal is to grow my hair out as long as I can. I might get a trim, but I do not want to like chop my hair off at any point soon. So I'll get it like trimmed up, keep getting it like colored and treated, and just keep taking care of it at home. I think I might want to get my hair lightened. I don't know how dark I want to go or how light I want to go. I thought about coloring it like an all black almost, but then I just like know within a week I'm going to miss my dimension, and trying to go from like black to some type of caramely blonde is just so damaging. So No idea what I want, but I do know I just want it to be long and healthy despite whatever color that I want to do. But my outgrowth is always like this like brownish color, and then I feel like the rest of my hair is like pretty dark. So my outgrowth like just does not match my hair at all. And then I feel like some of this is pretty orangey still. It's a lot more orange on camera than it is in person. It's not that orange in person, but I've had lots of like orangey tones and red tones and like magenta and like stuff in my hair over time. So I feel like lightening it in general is going to be hard, but I would love to go get it done. But yeah. But yes, it is looking nice and long and healthy, and I'm obsessed. But that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check down the description box because I'll link everything for you guys. And I do have a discount code that I'll link down there as well. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!